why keyboard shortcuts matter in Versus Code?
This is customer-focused and fun. They help you code faster and more efficiently in Visual Studio Code. Instead of using the mouse for repeated actions, shortcuts let you navigate, edit, and manage your code directly from the keyboard, saving valuable time and reducing interruptions to your workflow.
Essential navigation shortcuts.
Quickly move between files with Ctrl+P to open files by name. Use Ctrl+Tab to switch tabs, and Ctrl+Backtick to open or close the integrated terminal. These shortcuts help you jump around your project without losing focus, making navigation smooth and efficient.
Editing shortcuts to speed up coding.
Edit your code rapidly using shortcuts like Ctrl+X to cut a line and Ctrl+C to copy a line without needing to select it first. Use Alt+up or down arrow to move lines of code instantly, and Shift+Alt+down arrow to duplicate lines. These actions streamline common editing tasks.
Finding and replacing text efficiently.
Locate code quickly using Ctrl+F to search within a file, or Ctrl+Shift+F for a project-wide search. To replace text, use Ctrl+H and combine with search to update repetitive code efficiently. These shortcuts make managing large files and refactoring code much easier.
Multi-cursor and selection shortcuts.
Boost your productivity by editing multiple lines at once. Hold Alt and click to place additional cursors, or use Ctrl+Alt+down arrow to add cursors below. For selecting code, use Shift+Alt+right arrow to expand selection word by word. These features save time when making the same change across many lines.
Customizing and learning more shortcuts.
VS Code lets you customize your shortcuts with Ctrl+K followed by Ctrl+S to open the keyboard shortcut settings. You can search for any command and assign your own key combinations, making your workflow truly your own. Exploring and personalizing shortcuts helps you get the most out of Visual Studio Code.